Hello, hello. It's Miles Pitcher with Superior Lending coming to you with our weekly mortgage tip this week. I want to revisit something that's not very well known out in the industry, and I don't find a lot of people talking about it or knowing about it. So we're going to give you an update on recasting today. But first, here's my business card. You can scan that, um, find all my contact info there if you need that. Let's talk about rates first. Again, inverse chart. So as the chart moves down, rates are moving up. I zoomed out a little bit more this week and showed you year to date, so January through October 21st. And you can see that our rates are equal to or around the other time this year when they were the worst of the whole year. Now, keep in mind that we are still putting people in at 2.875, 2.99 on conventional loan purchases. So the rates are still fabulous. However, you can see what the trend has been. Rates have been slightly getting worse on us. They are still fabulous, though. One of the interesting things that we are watching is today the GDP numbers, the gross domestic product numbers, were released, much lower than expected. And remember, the definition of a recession is 2 consecutive quarters of negative or lower GDP. We actually could see us technically in a recession. Sometimes we go into recessions and people don't even realize that we do. But if that happens, typically mortgage rates improve with those recessionary numbers. So we'll watch and see what happens there. But GDP was much, much lower than anticipated today. But rates have been getting slightly worse. All right, reminder again, we're in October right now, but the new conforming loan limits for 2022 are available up to 625. We are already doing loans at that level. Okay, here's a reminder on what a recast is. It is when, for whatever reason, a client has done a conventional loan and they then have a lump sum payment that they want to put towards that mortgage. Most clients believe in their mind that the only way to get their monthly payment lower with that lump sum payment is to do a refinance. That is not true. You can do a recast. And what the lender essentially does is re-amortizes the loan. They keep your same exact interest rate. It's not a refinance. The cost of doing so is a one-time fee of $150 to $300. You just have to request that from the current servicer. They have you fill out a little paperwork. Typically, the lump sum payment needs to be $5,000 or higher. If you're making like an extra $100 payment every month, that will not count. It has to be a one-time lump sum payment of $5,000 or more. Previously, this was only available on conventional loans, and we'll talk about this in a second. Some lenders will allow you to do multiple recasts. They generally restrict you to one per year. Other lenders, depending on who the servicer is, will only allow you to do it one time only during the life of the loan. But here's the new update is that, and this is big news, that we have it available on one of our jumbo loans. This is excellent news because where home prices have gone and so many people are buying these new homes, we are doing more and more jumbo loans. And now a lot of these clients have other properties, or maybe they have year-end bonuses coming in, or they have some stock options that are going to vest and they're going to liquidate. Great way for them to now be able to drop that money in and recast the loan. Of course, with every one of our clients, we make it an analysis of numbers. If that pay down gets them down into the conventional area now, the conventional loans, it may be advantageous for them to be able to do a full refi and get out of the jumbo loan and get into the conventional loan. But it's still pretty awesome. And especially in an environment where rates are on the rise, the recast is extremely, extremely valuable. Let me know if you have questions on this. It is a powerful tool. So as a real estate agent, all you need to be aware of is, or ask the question of, as your client purchases the new home, will they be making a lump sum or have the ability to make a lump sum pay down in the future? If yes, we need to talk to them, we need to educate them, and we need to help them build a mortgage plan that will take advantage of recasting. I mention it every week. We want to make sure our clients understand fees. We want to make sure our clients have options. And we work really hard to present those options to them as we present a mortgage plan to our clients. I hope your business is going great. Love being in this business. We love helping our clients, as I'm sure you do also. Have a great week. We'll talk to you soon. Miles Pitcher with Superior Lending.